Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Love of God. This timeless hymn offers a beautiful message, and learning to play it can be a deeply rewarding experience. We will cover the essential chords, explore the song's structure, and provide practical advice to help you deliver a truly moving rendition. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced musician, these steps will guide you to play with confidence and emotion. To begin, focus on the three core chords: G major, C major, and D major. These form the harmonic backbone of The Love of God. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. For accompaniment, you can use a simple 4/4 time strumming pattern or try a gentle arpeggio, playing one note at a time. Aim for a consistent tempo and a warm, supportive sound. The melody of The Love of God is both memorable and moving. When playing, ensure the melody stands out, whether you are singing or playing it instrumentally. Focus on the natural phrasing of the lyrics, allowing the music to breathe. If you are singing, project your voice with conviction and sincerity. The hymn's message is powerful, and your vocal delivery should reflect its profound meaning, connecting with listeners on a deeper level. A steady rhythm is crucial for The Love of God. Keep a consistent 4/4 time signature, allowing the hymn to flow naturally. Experiment with dynamics, playing softer in some sections and louder in others to highlight the emotional depth of the lyrics. Regular practice is key. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to reinforce your chord changes, refine your melody, and internalize the song's feel. Consistent effort will lead to a beautiful performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.